How to connect the TX7140 Manual Call Point to the control panel. Before starting any wiring work, ensure the fire alarm control panel is completely powered off. The TX7140 Manual Call Point uses 4 terminals for loop wiring. These are divided into positive and negative pairs. ZI signal in, ZO signal out. Start by connecting the incoming loop cable from the control panel. Connect the signal input wire to the ZI port and the signal output wire to the ZO port. Make sure all screws are firmly tightened and route the cables neatly through the knockouts provided. If your system uses device addressing, assign the correct address using the programmer, following your panel's loop configuration. Once wiring is complete, mount the call point onto the back box and secure it in place. Restore power to the control panel. The TX7140 should now appear on the loop with a normal status. Finally, perform a functional test using the test key to confirm proper activation and communication with the panel. And that's how you connect and install the TX7140 Manual Call Point to the fire alarm control panel.